everyone. Tonight we have a special guest, Molly. She's been a counselor for over 30 years and she's been talking about a special subject that we are going to get into later on tonight with sessions for over 10 years. Have you ever had an idea or thought that popped up into your head and you suddenly found the answer in your dreams? Well, our special guest tonight, Molly, she's going to help us explain and walk us through all of that, a meaningful path of life.
Okay, thank you, Elizabeth. Hello, everybody. Hello. Well, this is my first talk in English, my first presentation. I'm in the United States now, in Florida, and I'm going to talk to you about something that is that can happen to any of us. Because today I'm going to talk about a universal law. And I'm going to start with a question. My question would be, are you having a meaningful life? Well,
I think right now, yes.
yes, perfect. Okay, so the talk is over. Thank you very much.
Okay, so let's go with no.
Now we start again. I'm going to answer this question from the point of view of a universal law. And that law is called the doubling time theory. A universal perspective because it's like the law of gravity. It affects everything and everyone. And also I'm going to explain it from the point of view of quantum physics. And you will ask yourself, how is it possible that science now or universal law can help us to find a meaningful path in life? Well, you know how. It is because this doubling time theory, it's giving us or providing us a map of all the existence. Since from non-existence to existence, that's all explained by this law, how we create reality. And from quantum physics point of view, it's because you must have heard already that the observer, as it observes a reality, it's affecting it and creating. From these two bases, we are going to try to understand how is that we become to exist from absolutely nothing to a human being with a lot of cells and a biology. How we are creating time all the time by being observers in different time space.